working with Dad, and was it so was it intimidating or it was just very like normal ghar jaisa father son type
I think we're blessed that we've worked with Dad since we were kids. So हम shows किए हैं. मैं तो when I was 5 years old मैं तो हल्का नशा में म्यूजिक वीडियो में फीचर किया हूँ पापा के साथ. भैया भी पापा के साथ बचपन से ही काम कर रहे हैं. So for us it's part of the family culture and the family thing to work together to create art. तो हमारे लिए वो बहुत ही it's nervous कहाँ होता है कि we have to keep up to papa's.
It's second nature for us.
Yeah.
मतलब it's not something you think of, instinct में हो जाता है. So and we've always had this relationship where we can talk openly about art and talk openly about what we want to make. So in fact, Dad is featuring in my album which I will release in the next 2 months. It's an electronic album which is techno with Indian classical. So he's very open about everything. So it makes it easier for us to work with him, you know. Yep, yep.
I mean, I think art evolves. आप जिधर भी जाओ, if you go to the west, art has evolved. आप और east जाओगे तो art has evolved. So the beauty of art is वो बढ़ेगा ही. It will change, it will evolve. But the wonderful thing is, I feel Papa has evolved with the art, you know. And
today it's about short-term consumption. It's more about what we do. We keep scrolling Instagram or YouTube Shorts or. Today the way people consume content has changed, right? But I feel his music, his compositions, the way we design the tracks, we are acclimatizing to it, but not losing the soul of real music. Today I want to make a song for 6 minutes, I'm going to make it. Just because of short-term consumption, I'm not going to make it 2 minutes. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah. He's an institution.
Yeah.
He's an institution. Yeah.
रियाज कभी नहीं छोड़ना. रियाज कभी नहीं छोड़ना.
Never stop practicing.
Never stop practicing. It's simple as that. Yeah. I train for 2 hours a day. Papa trains. सुबह रियाज करते हैं. I do singing practice. I do acting training. I do film training. I do fighting training.
You have to do
Riyaz.
what you have to do.
Yeah.
रियाज जो भी है practice जो है आप repetition करो. You will get better at something. I'm programming for 7-8 hours a day in the studio. It's about repetition. It's about giving yourself the time.
रियाज करो. वो कभी नहीं छूटना चाहिए.
What happens in the film industry when it comes to actors, you must have heard this nepotism word.
जी बिल्कुल.
However, I think in music it is not that easy for the kids.
Because honestly, you can be anybody's son, but if your song is not good, it's not good. That's all.
No, also I feel that एक चीज़ है कि सुर में नहीं गाओगे तो सुर में नहीं गा रहे हो आप, है ना.
सुर यूनिवर्सल है.
सुर यूनिवर्सल है.
आपको कोई
And
बेटे बेटी है उसका कुछ ताल्लुक
and good music, people understand what good music is, and people feel good music. So I don't think that there's any nepotism line. I think even in acting, when there are a good actor comes from a house, a good actor is a good actor. And that's always going to be the case. And that's how I feel too about myself as an actor. कि मैं acting पे ध्यान दूंगा. It helps where I come from because उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया कि क्या लगता है इस फील्ड में stay करना, पहुंचना, आगे बढ़ना. We know what it takes. So we're happy to give that, pay that price.
And talk about this album.
जी.
It's Ghazal, the fusion music which has been special in India since 90s. If I ask you in few words or if I ask you a quick USP or the unique quality of this album, what would you like to say?
ये एक ऐसी एल्बम है जो it doesn't stop at touching your soul. It continues to go forward and makes you reflect on the little things of life. And I think that we sometimes get caught up in the big things and we're so in a rush for all the major milestones that we forget to just spend time thinking about that one moment that we used to cherish. So I hope that, when you're listening to these songs, that it comes back to that moment that you you've lost those moments and you spend time
It
reflecting.
will grow on you. The album will grow on you in terms of the more you listen to it, the more you'll discover in the songs. And I think because it's so enriched with quality from Hariji, from the amazing musicians we've had, the mixing, mastering, the whole process, the video, it adds to the experience of the song, the album, and the whole vibe of what हरिजी composes, sings, तो उनका जो feel है, उनका जो frequency है, you'll really feel it in this album. Yeah, that's what I feel. Yeah.
Today's culture is reels culture. A lot of compositions happen keeping reels in mind.
Right.
So do you think that this kind of I will not call it serious, but the real music genre?
Yeah.
But most of the reels that do well are emotional based.
Yeah.
A lot of the reels that do